India Smarts. So everyone like mathematics, love mathematics, make easy mathematics automatically. If you like mathematics, it's make easy. If you like mathematics, if you are doing very interest in mathematics, automatically the remaining subjects will be very easier. Okay. Now I am going to explain the topics polynomials, exercise 3.4, the second sum. Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by the first polynomial. What is asked? Divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial and check is it the factor or not. First, what is a factor? So factor means, for example, here 6, 2, 3 2s are 6, remainder 0. If any number divides the dividend, if we get remainder 0, the divisor must be a factor of the dividend. Divisor must be a factor of the dividend. Here we divide 6 by 2, remainder 0. So 2 is a factor of 6. And again we divide 6 by 3. 2 3s are 6, remainder 0. 3 is the factor of 6. And we divide 1, 6 1s are 6, 1 is a factor of, and every number itself a factor of, and the number itself is a factor of, the remaining 2 3 also the factors of 6. So if we divide p of x 2t power 4 by t square minus 3, if we get the remainder 0, t square minus 3 is the factor of the p of x. Now I am going to take here p of x equal to 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. First once check, is the given polynomial order 4 cube square 1 x power 0 or t power 2? Yes, it is in order. Now t square minus 3 by dividing t square minus 3. And already I explained in the previous video the process of division. Here, what is the first term of dividend 2t power 4? What is the first term of divisor t square? So, we divide first term of dividend by the first term of divisor. Here t square times, or else 2t power 4 minus 2, we write 2t square. 2t square, it is the first term of the quotient. Now multiply by 2t square into t square minus 3. We multiply by this the divisor. 2t square into t square minus 3. I write here. Now 2t square into t square, 2t power 4, 2t power 4 minus 3 into 2t square. 2 3s are 6, minus 6t square, minus 6t square. We write here minus 6t square because of these are the like terms. we follow this rule. Here, of course, if you want to write 0 t cube, 0 to t cube. Now subtract. When you subtract, the symbols change. Plus, minus, minus, plus. Here, there is no symbol. Compulsory will be, suppose, plus and minus. Minus 2t power 4 plus 2t power 4 cancel 0. And plus 3t cube plus 6 minus 2 plus 4 t square. It's most important. Plus 6 minus 2. Plus 6 minus 2. The calculation is very important. Plus value minus value. Only we take the difference and add symbol which is the most. Plus 4 t square. Now get down. Minus 90 minus 12. Minus 90 minus 12. Now again this is the dividend. So 3t cube by t square. 3t cube minus 2 3t. 3t here plus 3t. Multiply divisor with 3t. 3t into t square. 3t cube. 3t cube. Plus into minus minus. 3t into 3. 90. Plus 0 t square. Here minus 90. Minus 90. Now subtract. Change the symbols. Cancel. 4t square plus 90 minus 90 cancel. 4t square minus 12. 4t square minus 12. This is the dividend here. So again 4t square by t square. 4t square by t square. Then we get the quotient term. Now t square cancel. Plus 4. Plus 4. Plus 4. By the plus 4 we multiply the divisor. 4 into t square 4t square plus into minus minus 4 3s are 12. Now change the symbols. Cancel, cancel. Remainder 0. Remainder equal to 0. When the remainder is 0, when the remainder is 0, given divisor is a factor of the dividend. 0. Check in which case the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. 0. When the remainder is 0, then the first polynomial is, or else t square minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. Have you understood? Smiling? The same division. If you get remainder 0, the divisor is a factor of the dividend. If you won't get remainder 0, the divisor is not there. Remainder is not the factor of the given polynomial. Have you understood? Copy down. Here guys, this is the second one. Play games with maths. Play games. Play chess, kabaddi, cricket, slime. Now here is the dividend is 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Once check out x power 4, x cube, x square, x power 1, x power 0. This is the order. Now take the divisor x square plus 3x plus 1. It's a division, polynomial division. Nothing but it's a division. What is the first step? The first step compulsory identify the first term in the dividend. 3x power 4. 3x power 4. This is the first term. First term in the dividend divided by the first term in the divisor. Divided by x square. X square. Actually, it's very simple. A power m by a power n equal to a power n minus n. A power n minus n. This is the formula, identity. Now, this is in the form of. So, immediately you can write 3x power 2. 4 minus 2. We don't do any other steps because of you are studying 10th class. Some calculations going on in your brain. Some calculations. You are being a speedy respondent. You are being a speedy respondent. That's mine. So 3x square. This is the first term of quotient. First term of quotient. What is very next? By the first term of quotient, we multiply the total divisor. 3x square into total divisor. 3x square into 3, x square into x square, x power 4, 3 3s are 9, x power 1 into x square, x cube, and plus 3 1s are 3, x square. This is. In multiplication also we have an identity. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Adding here x square into x square, x power 4. Adding, not multiplication powers. X square into x power 1. Adding, not 2 1s are 2 multiplication. Adding 1 plus 2 3. X square into 3x square into 1. 3 1s are 3 x square. Like terms also observe x power 4, x power x cube, x square. Now subtraction, division rule. While we are subtracting, change the symbols. Change the symbols. It's most important. Subtracting, change the symbols. Change the symbols means if here plus, we write change minus. Here minus, we change plus. Now we assume minus 3x power 4 plus 3x power 4 cancel. Minus 9 plus 5 minus 4 x cube. Minus 3 minus 7 minus 10. Both are minus. We add the value and sign. Put minus sign. Minus 10x square. Now get down 2x. Again, what is the dividend? Here, this is the dividend. What is the first term of the dividend? Minus 4x cube. Minus 4x cube. Did you get an idea? How it is moving? How we are solving? Minus 4x cube by x square. Again, the same process. X square. This is equal to minus 4x power 1. Minus 4x power 1 because x cube. X power 3 minus 2. 4x power 1. Minus 4x. Minus 4x. We multiply minus 4x by divisor. Minus 4 into plus minus 4x x into x square x cube minus into plus minus 4 3s are 12 x square minus 4x. Second, subtraction. Change the symbols. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Plus 4x cube minus 4x cube cancel. Decrease the degree. In each and every step, decrease the degree of the dividend. Here x power 4, here x cube cancel. Then what will be happen now? Plus 12 minus 10, 2x square, plus 4 plus 2 plus 6x. So now decrease one more degree. Here 2x square cancel x cube. And by next step, some more degrees will be decreased. Get down plus 2. Second, this is the dividend. Now 2x square by x square. X square cancel 2. Quotient last term 2 we get. Now again the same process. Multiplying by 2 the whole divisor. 2 into x square 2x square. 2 into 3 6x and plus 2. Subtract. Change the symbols. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. If there is no symbol, it will be plus. You think so? So remainder 0. If the remainder 0, x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. Of course, if it's not remainder 0, it's not a factor of given polynomial. We just write like that. We got remainder 0. That's why we write here. Therefore, r equal to 0. Here r equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. If r is not equal to 0, therefore here is not a factor of the given polynomial. That's it. Have you understood? If you have any doubts while you are watching this video, while you are practicing these problems, if you have any doubts, immediately call me. I'll give clarity. I clarify your doubts. Okay? Okay guys, solve all these which already I explained. In addition to those, solve these also.